Okay, so welcome to the W Hotel in Los Angeles. We are at the W on the corner of, what is it, Hollywood and Vine. And I'm going to show you around. So this is called the Fabulous Room with a king-size bed. I'm on the 8th floor. And yeah, so here we are. This is the door. There's a cool mirror. Little mini bar. Drawers. Drawers. And more drawers. Then you've got your closet and a safe. There's one safe up here. I have not even unpacked yet. I ordered room service. Let's see if the light's gonna go on in here. How do I get the light on? How do I get the light on? I can't figure it out. Okay, so bathroom, all Bliss products. Oh, there we go. All Bliss products. Fiji water at $9 a bottle. Volcanic to 10-minute mud mask facial for $24. I don't know why somebody would do that, but okay. You got your glasses, big mirror, and then you've got your shower with Bliss products in your shower. There's no bath. Keep that in mind. And then you've got towels and a blow dryer. And then you come to the main space. Got a little reclining chair. All sorts of doodads. Alarm menus, phones, chargers for your iPhone. You've got your breakfast menu that you could hang on your door in the morning or before the morning, so they could bring you whatever you want. Is this an ironing board? Oh no, I thought that was an ironing board. Sorry. Okay, it's called the Sanctuary. You could charge whatever you need to charge if you've forgot your charger. Got your menu, whether you want a massage or food or whatever, whenever, as they like to say. You've got the traditional, I know how to say it in French, it's a kaleidoscope, so you kind of look through it. Can you see it? If you look through it, I don't know. It shows you all like weird shapes and stuff. You've got your TV, DVD, CD player. And then you've got alcohol. And does this open? I don't know if I need more hands. Hang on 1 second. Yeah, that open. I need both hands. So you've got more drinks in here. Oh, sweet. Maybe some champagne for later. And that's it. You've got your bed. Your little nightstand here. What do we have here? That's it. Ask about our SMS text messaging. I don't know. There's a note there, and then you've got more things that can handle your light switches. You can actually sit on here and read. The view isn't that great. So it's the 8th floor, and I am overlooking downtown LA, which is over there. And then that place, oh my god, I forget what it is. Oh, I forget the name. It's gonna come back to me after I stop recording. But that's it, so that's the view. And this is the room. Again, it's a fabulous, I'm not calling it fabulous, it's called a fabulous room with a king-size bed, and I'm getting it at a rate for $2.99 a month. I don't know if it was negotiated special or a month. $2.99 a night. And just so you know, this is the shower. So you can actually see the shower from the room. And they have a little thing on the bed. Welcome to Los Angeles.